How to fix login error in Chase UK application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem in the application, you need to make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues while logging in. However, if there is still any other kinds of problem while you're logging into your account, you can simply go to your settings, click on General, and tap on iPhone storage. Here you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the Chase UK application. Tap on Chase application and tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any login errors. However, sometimes it might be your device's fault and not the app itself. What you can do is you can simply restart your device once and open the app again, and it might also solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.